I just trained Claude Code to run my entire Skool community. It writes my community posts, it manages my DM outreach to my members, helps me drive traffic from Skool, YouTube, and social media, and a whole lot more. Over the past 2 years, I've generated over $500,000 on Skool, and then I took all of the systems that I built during that time and trained Claude Code now to do a majority of that work for me. What used to take me 10 to 15 hours a week now only takes me 2. And in this video, I'm going to share some of those systems with you and show you how they work. Claude Code is like having a genius level assistant that not only answers questions, but also goes out and does the work for you. See, most AI tools are like having a really smart friend where you can go ask some advice, maybe you can create some content, but you still have to go and execute everything yourself. Claude Code is different. You basically tell it exactly what you want. It goes into your computer and finds the files and information it needs, connects to the tools it needs, and then it goes and completes the tasks and hands it to you finished. And the best part about all of this is you don't have to be technical at all to use it. You don't need to know how to code, and you really don't even need to know what Claude's doing for you. You basically just need to know the problem that you want to solve and be able to express it and describe it in plain English. Now let's talk about skills. A skill is a set of instructions that teaches Claude Code how to execute a specific task. Think of it like writing an SOP for a new employee. You give it some context, you lay out the steps of the process and the rules, and then from that point on, Claude Code can run that process whenever you tell it to. I took every repetitive thing that I do to manage my Skool community, and I turned each one of those into a Claude Code skill. Content planning, DM outreach, generating leads from other Skool communities, YouTube, and social media. Now, instead of doing all those things myself, I just tell Claude Code which skill to run, and it handles the rest. So the first thing that Claude Code does for me every single week is plan and write all of my community posts for that week. And I used to spend hours doing this, figuring out what type of content I wanted to post, how to tie all that into the promotions that I was running, and then I had to sit down and write it all. Now I have a skill that creates all of my posts each week in about 10 minutes. So at the beginning of each week, when I want to come in and plan my post for the next week, I come in and I type in Skool community /Skool community posts. Then this takes me through a series of questions. It asks me if I want to plan this week's or if I want to plan a full month's worth of content for my community. And I picked weekly. And so I've already created all of the posts using Claude Code for the next 2 weeks. And then 3 weeks from now, we're actually running a workshop, and we've talked about this in our planning cycle with Claude Code because it helps me to plan my entire quarter of promotion. So it understands what promotions we're running, and then it's going to start asking me, it then formulates the plan for what kind of content we're going to be creating for that week. And then it asked me a series of 7 questions to help it understand what's the theme of the week that we want to talk about. What kind of content do we want to create? Do I have a YouTube video that I want to promote to my community? And then from that, it's going to create all 7 days of posts for me. Okay. And all I have to do is come in here and I review the plan. And then I go through here and maybe I change a word or two. And right now I'm actually going into Skool and posting these posts myself. But the next step or the next phase is to actually train Claude Code to go in there, take this content and then publish it for me on a schedule. All right. And that is definitely doable. So I'm automating the entire process from the very beginning of the planning stage to creating the content to now posting that content inside of my Skool community. We have over 10,000 members inside of our free community. And if you check out the past 3 weeks of my posts, these are all written by Claude Code. They're getting a ton of engagement for my community, and they're helping me to convert members from my free community into my paid community. So creating posts for your community is just one key element of running a successful Skool community, but alone, it's not going to help you to monetize and grow your community. That's where these next 2 skills come into play. And this next one used to be the hardest part of my week. So every single week, we get about 200 people joining our free community, and I want to send a personalized message to every single one of them. And honestly, that's the kind of thing I wanted to do, but I used to skip all the time because it's just really tedious work. Now I just let Claude Code do it. So every morning I come in and I do my community growth routine, and that goes through 4 phases. The first one is to tag members in my free community. Inside our free community, we have a start here post that's actually automated. I use a tool called Scoot. When people comment the word start, that actually triggers an automated DM that goes out and sends them the next step of our onboarding process. And so what Claude Code does is it comes in and it finds all my new members from the previous day, and then it takes over my browser, it comes to the start here post and tags all those new members so that they actually see and comment on that start here post, which triggers that automated DM, which triggers a conversation in the DMs and gets them started going through my onboarding process. Phase 2, it will actually send welcome DMs to each of the new members. So remember when we talked about skills, we talked about the fact that Claude Code can hook up to your other tools and manage those tools for you. So to manage my DM outreach and so we could keep up with where everybody is in that process, I've hooked it up to Airtable. So what Claude Code is going to do is it's going to take all those new members that it just tagged on the Start Here post, and it's going to put them in our Airtable so that we can keep up with where they are in our DM outreach process. Then it's going to go and it's going to look at all of these new members' profiles, and it's going to draft up a personalized welcome DM for each one of these new members. Then what I do is come in and look at the draft, make sure it looks good, and change anything I want to change. And then if it's ready, I just mark this as ready to go, and then Claude Code will come in here and actually send the DM. Phase 3 is how I'm growing my internal Skool traffic, and we'll talk about that in just a second. Phase 4, it will actually check all of the responses in my DMs to see where people are in the process, and then it will send all of the follow-ups, and it uses that Airtable base to do that. All right, so the posts keep our members engaged, and the DM outreach builds connection and helps me convert people into our paid stuff. But none of that matters if you don't have people joining your community in the first place. So let me show you how Claude Code helps me drive traffic both from inside Skool and from YouTube. So there are two ways that I drive traffic to my community organically. So I joined about 10 communities where my ideal members are hanging out. And every day, people inside of those communities are posting questions around problems that I can help them solve. And it would take me hours to scan all of those communities to find posts where I can add value. But now Claude Code can do it in just a few minutes. So phase 3 of our morning routine is where Claude Code is going to go out. It's going to scan those communities for posts that I can add value to by commenting on them. And you can see here it did its scan and it found about 6 posts inside of those communities that I can comment on, and it even drafted a potential comment that I could use. And then it pushes all of that information into my Airtable base. It has the post title, it has the post body, and the direct link to the post. And it also has the draft comment that I could potentially use. But what I usually do is just go straight to the post, and I use WhisperFlow to transcribe my voice to create a super valuable comment on each of those posts. And what's really cool about this skill is that it's self-improving. So I get Claude Code's original draft comment, and then I give it my final comment. And then Claude Code over time is able to learn what a good comment looks like, so its comments are going to get better and better. So eventually its comments will sound just like me. And this is one of the ways that you can increase your internal traffic from Skool to your community and start to create a reputation in all these different communities as somebody that creates massive value. So that's how we're driving Skool internal traffic. But the bigger play and the way that you're going to drive a lot more traffic to your communities is by creating consistent content on YouTube and social media. But consistently posting content on multiple channels is really, really hard if you don't have an agency or a content team behind you. Well, now Claude Code is my content team. So to create the video that you're watching right now, Claude Code was involved in the entire process, from the planning to the research to now writing the script, which you see over here. And it has one goal and one goal only, and that's to help me to grow my YouTube channel. And so what I do with this YouTube strategist each week is, first of all, it starts with a topic radar scan. So it starts with a YouTube outlier scan, which basically goes and finds videos that outperform the typical video on a particular channel. And so what that does is helps me to identify the hot topics that are trending right now. And those are my first types of videos, which I call spiked videos. And these are those top of the funnel videos that are meant to get more views and more subscribers for my channel. I also get my YouTube strategist to help me plan what we call cornerstone content. And these are those middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel videos that are very specific to my niche and the problems that I'm solving for my niche. And these are the videos that are meant to help me nurture my audience and convert them into my community. Then once I figure out what the topic is going to be, I actually have this YouTube strategist go out and find all the top videos around that topic, and then it transcribes those videos. It gives me the structure, breaks down the structure and what's included in those videos, and also looks at the comments of those videos to see where the gaps are. Then the strategist creates a brief for the video that shows me exactly what's going to be included in the script. Once I confirm the brief, then it actually writes the script for me using a framework that I've given it. It then scans my library of proven YouTube title formulas and helps me come up with the title and helps me plan out the thumbnail. And then the final thing that the YouTube strategist does is it takes that YouTube script and turns it into additional pieces of content across different formats. It creates reel scripts, it creates short form video scripts, it creates posts for my community, it writes LinkedIn posts and email to send to my list. And if I want, I can have it create other types of content as well. So one video now turns into 9 pieces of content across other channels. So I'm creating one core piece of content each week, which is the YouTube video, and then I let Claude Code distribute it everywhere. Every month, we run a 2-day School Growth Accelerator bootcamp using Claude Code. Over those 2 days, we help you set up Claude Code, install our 40+ skills to run your community, and then start using those skills together to start creating all of your assets to launch and grow a profitable school community. If you want to learn more about the next one, I'll drop a link in the description to join our free community. That's where I drop all the dates and details for every accelerator that we run. So come join us. I'll see you inside.